Starlight. Wow. Hello and welcome to our channel. Jag tycker detta är stelt. I know something you will never know. Hello and welcome. Hallå. Hej. Ja. Hello and welcome. Fucking shit. Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to mount a light bar and on the roof box and a roof box on the car, and then I'm gonna go home.
No, we are not, because we're gonna mount a water pump as well.
Because I did a big service ago and it was expensive as shit.
Well, yeah, so Casper have bought a V70. If you haven't seen the XC70 video, no, the BMW video. And in that video we talked about that pink roof box with the Ahlgrens Bilar logo, a Swedish candy brand.
Sweden's most sold car.
So Casper did take some inspiration from my V70 when I did put my light bar on the roof box. So we're gonna do the same with that awesome looking Ahlgrens Bilar roof box.
Sweden's most sold car.
Yeah, and you like the pink?
det var tomt.
Hey man!
Hej!
So, happy with it?
Yes. Very good. Det duger till mig.
So, the mount is done and we have to the electrical stuff, so we're gonna take the cable inside, out, run it through the A-pillar, like underneath here, and down under the hood.
Lilla jävla pisslunda.
It was actually pretty easy to connect there, so we only have to take the cable down the A-pillar now and see if everything works. Hopefully. I mean, there's just one relay and plus and minus, so it's pretty easy, I guess. Meanwhile, Kasper and Krille is going to get some food because we are hungry. Did you hear that? Yeah, my stomach is... I'm hungry. So, yeah.
Can't.
So what did you get?
KFC.
Mm.
Nasty.
Oh. Oh. Mm. The size was actually pretty good.
Perfect 10.
What?
Perfect 10.
Happy?
Ja.
Yeah.
funkar det?
Jag vet inte. Test it out.
Jaha, alltså det ska funka nu då.
Yeah, it should be working. I hope so.
Let's find out. Nope.
Men du har inte hellyset på. Yeah. Should we turn off the lights and see how good it?
Ja, ja. Let's go.
I mean, I can see the light. Oh, it's actually really bright. Well, on the screen it doesn't look that good, but I mean, in real life it's okay, I guess. It's really dark on the screen. So, yeah. Yeah, in real life it was looking pretty good, but in the camera it was like really dark.
Yeah.
It did turn out pretty okay. I mean, for what you have. Well, do you like the pink roof box?
Yes, it's a good, right, Rilla?
Ja, jävlar.
Looks good to me.
Yeah, it's really, really manly.
Gay.
Ha! Gay!
Nej.
It's okay to be gay.
Du säger varför du kör fucking Zoe.
Well, that was all for today. Thank you guys for watching. I have no clue what's upcoming. We will see what in the next week, so make sure you are subscribed. And the most important thing is to
Enjoy life.